Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Olivia. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I was just thinking about all the fun entertainment activities we can do in the city. There are so many places like bars, cinemas, and theaters. What do you usually do for fun around here?
I love exploring the city. I often go to the cinema to watch new movies, and sometimes I visit a small theater for a live play. I also enjoy going to a bar with my friends on weekends. What about you?
I enjoy many of those things too. I usually watch movies at the cinema, especially the new releases. I also go to a local theater now and then, and I love visiting art galleries. I sometimes meet friends at a cozy bar for a few drinks after work.
That sounds wonderful. I recently went to a bar called City Vibes. It has a very relaxed atmosphere and live music on Friday nights. I enjoyed the live band. They played some jazz and soft rock.
I've heard about city vibes. I like bars with live music because they create a friendly and lively mood. Did you try any special drinks there?
Yes, I did. I tried a cocktail called Sunset Delight. It was a mix of fruit juices and a little bit of rum. It tasted sweet and refreshing.
That sounds delicious. I usually prefer a light beer or a glass of wine at a bar. I like to chat with my friends and enjoy the music.
I do the same. After a busy week, a night out at a bar is a great way to relax. Besides bars, do you often go to the cinema?
Yes, I love watching movies on the big screen. I usually go to the cinema on Saturday evenings. The large screen and sound system really make the experience special.
I agree. I watched a new action movie last weekend. The special effects were amazing, and the story was exciting. I enjoyed every minute of it.
That's great. I recently watched a comedy at the cinema. It made me laugh a lot and lifted my mood. I believe that going to the cinema can be a fun escape from everyday life.
Absolutely. I also appreciate the experience at a live theater. Last month, I saw a modern play at the local theater. The performance was very emotional and well done.
I love live theater too. There is something special about watching actors perform on stage. I remember I saw a musical play that had wonderful singing and dancing. It was very colorful and joyful.
Yes, musicals are very entertaining. The costumes, the music, and the energy of the actors make the performance come alive.
Do you have a favorite place to go for live performances?
I often go to the downtown theater. It is a small venue, but the performances are very engaging. I like that it feels intimate and you can see the actors' expressions clearly.
That sounds nice. I have been to a couple of shows at the downtown theater. I enjoy the close-up view. It makes me feel like I am part of the story.
I think these different venues offer unique experiences. The cinema is great for blockbuster movies. The theater is perfect for live drama and musicals. And the bars are fun for socializing with friends.
Exactly. I also like that the city has a variety of entertainment options. For example, last week I visited an art gallery that was hosting a temporary exhibition. The artwork was very creative and made me think about modern life in a different way.
That's interesting. I sometimes mix art exhibitions with my entertainment plans. It gives me a chance to slow down and appreciate beauty.
Yes, art has a calming effect on me. I enjoy reading the information about the art pieces and learning about the artist's inspiration.
I feel that art connects with you emotionally. Even a simple painting can change your mood.
Exactly, Ethan. And sometimes I meet other people at these exhibitions. I enjoy talking with strangers about the art. It opens my mind to different ideas.
I love meeting new people at events. Last month, at a live music event in a bar, I talked to a couple of fans who shared their favorite songs and even recommended a band I hadn't heard of before.
That's one of the best parts of entertainment events, the social side. Sharing experiences with others makes the night even more memorable.
I agree. For instance, when I go to the cinema with friends, we always discuss the movie afterward. We talk about our favorite scenes, the actor's performance, and sometimes even the director's style.
I do that as well. I sometimes invite friends to a cafe after a movie to chat about the film. It helps me understand different perspectives and makes me see things I missed in the theater.
That's a great idea. I also join online discussion groups where fans talk about the latest movies or plays. It's amazing how many people share the same passion for entertainment.
Social media really helps with that. I follow some pages that review local events and share photos from the shows. It makes me feel connected to the entertainment community.
True. And it's a good way to discover new events. I often see posts about upcoming concerts or theater performances that I wouldn't have known about otherwise.
Do you plan your entertainment activities ahead of time?
Yes, I try to plan my weekends. I usually check the cinema schedule, the theater listings, and sometimes I book a table at a nice bar. Planning helps me enjoy my free time without stress.
I do the same. I check online for reviews and schedules. For example, last Saturday I saw a movie at 7:30 p.m. and then had dinner at a nearby restaurant.
That sounds like a perfect evening. I also enjoy combining activities. A night out that includes a movie, a play, or even a concert can be very refreshing.
Exactly. The variety of entertainment makes the city exciting. I love that I can choose from different options based on my mood.
Sometimes I feel like staying home is nice too. I can watch a movie on a streaming service or listen to a live concert online. but nothing beats the experience of going out.
That is true. There is a special atmosphere in a theater or a bar that you cannot get at home. The lights, the sound, and the energy of the crowd create a unique feeling.
I agree. For example, I remember one night at a live music event at a bar. The band was very energetic, and the crowd was dancing and singing along. It was a night I will never forget.
That sounds amazing, Ethan. I had a similar experience at a theater when I saw a musical. The actors were so passionate, and the music was very uplifting.
It seems like every entertainment event gives us a special memory. I think these experiences help us relax and bring joy to our busy lives.
Yes, I believe that entertainment is very important for our well-being. It helps us escape from our daily routines and enjoy the moment.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Olivia. Talking about our entertainment experiences makes me excited for my next night out in the city.
Thank you, Ethan. I enjoyed our chat as well. I look forward to discovering new places and sharing more of my experiences with you.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to attend an event together soon. I think it would be fun to go out with a friend and explore the city's entertainment scene.
I'd love that, Ethan. I'll send you some information about an upcoming concert at the downtown venue next month.
That sounds great. I'm always looking for new events to join. Have a wonderful day, Olivia, and enjoy your next night out.
You too, Ethan. Thank you for the lovely conversation. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Olivia.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.